In this video, I'll show you how to find Meetup groups, alright? I'll show you how to do so on both PC and the app version. In here, as you can see, when I log into meetup.com, you'll be able to find this particular page where it says events from your groups, alright? As you can see here, I have one group right here. Now you should be able to see, when you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see right here the groups that you might want to join, alright? Here in the app version, as you can see, when we go to explore, in here, just go ahead and tap on find a group you like right here at the center of the page. All right, just tap on it. You can go ahead and browse some categories right here: music, parents and family, and all that good stuff. All right, you can go ahead and filter whether you want your groups to be in Manila or even in other locations. If you want to, you can go ahead and use the location function right here, which is allow Meetup to access the device's location. If you want to, you can go ahead and use this. All right, maybe this time only. If you want to, you can just go ahead and type in, for example, the place here in Manila. Now, say for example, I wanted to be in a group which loves games. I'm going to tap on it. And as you can see here in the search result, there's one, the Manila Hazer Nuevas Amistades de Todo el Mundo Meetup group. You can just go ahead and tap on join if you want to. And if you want to create a new group, tap on this one right here, which you can organize your own events. All right. And that's basically how you find Meetup groups. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.